Hello everyone, in front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Then click on your account icon and select Manage Apps and Device. Now click on See Details, and here you've got all apps that can be updated, and you've got two options. You can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon. Here you can observe the progress, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, and also you can see the progress here. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, however you like, and then just go back to see if it's updated. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.